In this video, we're going to take you through how to use the screen recorder into Identity Cloak. The screen recorder feature allows you to record live feeds, or if you have a video which can't be played in a VLC player, the ability to upload and redact the file still. Please note that the Include Audio feature is not available through the screen recorder. When you first open Identity Cloak, the first page you see will have a checkbox and two buttons. We will be focusing on the bottom button that reads Screen Recorder. When you click on Screen Recorder, it will allow you to record your main screen. If you can't see the window on the main screen, please move this across to your main screen and then click Refresh on Identity Cloak. Once you can see your video, click Start on Identity Cloak and then allow for your file to play. Once you have the section of the feed you want, click Stop on Identity Cloak. Identity Cloak will now take you through to your next working screen. Thank you for watching.